Hello and welcome to the fourth episode of How to Play Star Wars Galaxies. We're going to be taking a look at mission terminals today. There's a number of different terminals for various types of missions, but this is the very generic kind. When you start the game off, if you are not questing and you're not doing other forms of getting experience or money, this is going to be your primary way of gaining money and actually getting experience. And it's a good way to level up. So, find a mission terminal. They all look like this. You can find them in any city. They're any player city, any computer city. So when you find one, click on it, and you'll get a list of up to 5 or 6 different missions. Sometimes it messes up. You can pick out quests. Now, there's a variety of quests you'll find. The different quests will actually have the different villains or NPCs or creatures that you would have on that planet. So, for example, you would only find Creedle missions or Dewback missions on Tatooine. You would not find those on Corellia or such. So, you'll find those there, and then you're gonna get some information. You're gonna find out how much you'll be paid for it. You'll find out how far away the mission is from you now, and then the general direction that it will be heading. So if you know that you only want to get missions to the north or to the south, helps you out. So we're just going to take the first mission, and you can also see the details. You can click on the mission details, or you can double click on each individual one to find it out. We're not going to do an NPC starting off because just in case, anytime you see this kind of layer, that usually means it's an NPC mission. All right, good. I just wanted to find a generic creature one to do. I'm going to hit accept and hit OK. Now I'm getting a big payout, and that's because I'm level 90, and that's just makes it worth more. The missions you get are usually based on your level, and they will be difficult as such. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to hop on my one of my vehicles, and we're going to cut here. And then when I get to the mission or get near it, I'll show you what happens. Alright, so in a few seconds, I'm just pausing here to tell you that what's going to happen is your waypoint, as you're getting closer, it's going to change and it's going to move on you. Because it's not telling you right now the exact location, it's telling you the approximate location. So as you get nearer and nearer, eventually this waypoint is going to alter. So we'll probably cut here again if it doesn't happen in a second. Alright, we're getting nearby. There we go. See, now it just changed on me. It's actually closer. So now we're at the waypoint, it's yellow. The mission shows up, and then there's the creatures. Now, there's going to be 2 or 3 creatures per layer, or for each mission you do. So here we are. I'm going to go ahead and set myself up. Pretty much ready to fight. I might cut out some of these little quick battles, because all I'm doing is taking out the creatures. What you want to do starting off is you want to actually kill all the creatures one by one. Be cautious. Don't just go in there blazing and destroy all of them right together. If you have to, take them one at a time. There's nothing wrong with that. Pull them away from the layer. So now I've got the creatures that were here. Killed them all. What you want to do now is you want to hit the layer one time. And then back away. Do not hit it a bunch of times in a row. Do not think you're going to kill it all really quick. Now watch this layer south. Boom, it just took a hit, and a creature showed up. Now instead, the layer attack the creature. So hit the creature, and in a second another hit should happen. Another creature, there we go. I goofed on my keyboard. Okay. So that creature's gone. It should only be 2 because the way it started off was 2. So now you can hit it. Deal damage to it until it goes down to halfway. Then stop. And another creature comes out. This happens every time. If there's 5 creatures outside, when you hit once, 5 more will show up. When you take it down halfway again, 5 more will show up. It's just, that's the way layers work in this. It's nice because if there's, say, typically there's 3, then you've got 9 creatures, which is 9 experience points worth and 9 pieces of loot worth. And so it's a pretty good way to level up. Now, also, you get experience for killing the layer. And then when you destroy it, you blow it up and you get your reward, and that's the end of it. And you don't have to go back to anybody else. If you want to finish, at least stop there and log off, you can. You've got your experience, you've got your money. The NPC missions are not much different, except for you don't get as many creatures. When you kill the amount of NPCs that are at the mission, that's it. No more NPCs show up. The one way to get the most experience out of these missions when you're doing these, if you want to get more kills, not just the reward from the mission, get 2 mission layers that spawn near each other. Kill all the creatures from the first layer. Don't destroy the layer completely though. Then go to the second layer and kill all those creatures, like you did the first time. Then before destroying it, leave it and go back to the first one. Then you can recycle the whole thing, and you can go back and forth, and you can get thousands of experience points pretty quickly. So it's just a nice little tidbit. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. That's just a brief explanation of how mission terminals work.